Welcome to my virtual tour of Port Santiago, a place that stands as both a silent witness and sacred ground in the story of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. This fortress, located within Intramuros, Manila, served as Rizal's final prison before his execution on December 30, 1896. More than that, just a historical site, Port Santiago holds the last footsteps of a man who awakened the Filipino spirit. Port Santiago was built in 1571 by Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi as a military defense fortress. Over the centuries, it served various purposes, from a citadel and storage area to a prison for rebels and political dissidents. During the Spanish colonial period, it became infamous as a place of imprisonment, torture, and death. For those who opposed Spanish rule, among the many prisoners held within its stone walls, one name forever changed its meaning. After returning to the Philippines from exile in Dapitan, Rizal was arrested aboard the ship SS Castilla and brought to Port Santiago on November 3, 1896. He was accused of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy, charges that link him to the Katipunan Revolution, even though he had no direct involvement. Inside his small cell in Port Santiago, Rizal spent his final days reflecting on his life, his writings, and the fate of his beloved country. It was here that he wrote his last masterpiece, Mi Ultimo Adios, a farewell poem that expressed his love, sacrifice, and hope for the Filipino people. He secretly hid the poem inside an alcohol stove before it was delivered to his family. On the morning of December 30, 1896, Rizal was led from his cell in Port Santiago to Bagong Bayan, now Luneta Park. The bronze footsteps embedded along the path today mark his final walk. Each step symbolizes courage, faith, and unyielding love for his country. As he faced the firing squad, Rizal turned to face the rising sun and gestured that embodied enlightenment, dignity, and peace. His death did not silence him, it gave birth to a nation's awakening. Today, Port Santiago stands as a national shrine, a place of remembrance for those who fought for freedom. Rizal's cell, his final letters, and the bronze footprints reminds us of the price of independence. For Filipinos, Port Santiago is more than a tourist destination. It is a sacred memorial that connects us to Rizal's enduring message that freedom must be built on education, sacrifice, and love for the nation. Rizal's time in Port Santiago teaches us that even in the face of death, truth and conviction can never be imprisoned. His courage and intellect continue to inspire generations to fight for justice and equality through peaceful means. As I reflect on this journey, I realize that Port Santiago represents not only the end of Rizal's life, but also the beginning of our identity as a free people. Port Santiago today stands not just as a tourist destination, but as a living museum of Filipino heritage. Its stone walls, gates, and pathways invite every visitor to walk through history. As the sun sets over the ancient walls of Port Santiago, we are reminded that this fortress is more than stone and history. It is a symbol of resilience, sacrifice, and love for the country. Within these walls, heroes like Dr. Jose Rizal once walked, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations of Filipinos. Port Santiago stands today not only as a historical landmark, but also as a timeless reminder of our nation's journey towards freedom. Let us continue to honor and protect this heritage, for in remembering the past, we keep alive the spirit of those who fought our future. This has been Port Santiago, A timeless portrait of Philippine history and Jose Rizal. Thank you for watching, and may the courage of our heroes continue to live within us all. Thank you.